Hello friends, it's Amit again with you and welcome to my channel Excel EduTech Empower Yourself. Earlier I have shown you how to use normal Vlookup and reverse Vlookup function in MS Excel. But today I will show you some tricky way to use our very popular Vlookup function to do partial match. We know generally Vlookup is used to retrieve data from a dataset using a lookup value or a criteria for a match. Sometimes it is possible to only have a part of a criteria to use as a lookup value, which requires a partial match. To retrieve any information from a table based on a partial match, we can use the Vlookup function in exact match mode with the help of a wildcard character. And now, what is wildcard character? Actually, there are two number of wildcard characters being used in Vlookup function for doing partial match, along with ampersand as a concatenation operator. So number one wildcard character is asterisk and the other is question mark. Now asterisk matches any number of characters and one question mark matches one character. So let's understand it by doing this practically. And yes, definitely don't disappear until this video ends. Means do watch my video till end and enjoy. Now here I have some data here. This is our source table, this is our target table, and here you can see that star and question mark are two special characters used for partial matching. Next, star and question mark are called wildcard characters, and star stands for all characters and question mark stands for single character. Now I have some portion of string here. Okay, this is ILI, this is PRO, AYB. This portion of string is present in this data, in these names. So if I want to find ILI, where is ILI? If I focus on William, name William, there you can find that ILI is there. Okay. Similarly, Pro is in name Provash, like this. Okay. Except this is a special case. Okay. I will explain it accordingly. So in order to use here exact match, if I consider this lookup value in this source table, you already find that there is no ILI directly here. Okay, because ILI is a portion of string which presents in the name William. So I have to match ILI within William with the help of our special character, means wildcard characters here. So if I type normally Vlookup in order to match ILI, see what happened here, equals to Vlookup. This is our lookup value. Now table array is, this is our table array, and I want to find total cell, but total cell in source data table is in fourth column. So I put here 4 and then 0. Hit the enter key. You see, not availability of data is giving. So to correct this, means to use Vlookup formula to find or match this data ILI, means a portion of the string, I am using Vlookup. Watch minutely what I am typing here, equals to Vlookup. You see here, aside I wrote here contents in between name, means ILI, this string contents in between of any name. Okay, so for this ILI as is in between portion of total word, whole word. So before ILI and after ILI there will be some strings, in some characters. For this I have to put here before L3 cell, means before this data, within double quote I will use asterisk here. Asterisk means all characters, means before ILI it may have as many numbers of characters there. Okay, so I put asterisk within double quote, it is the syntax, and then I put ampersand as a concatenation operator. Then after this again within double quote I will put star. It means before ILI means L3 any number of characters may have there. Okay, after that any number of characters may be there. So next comma table array. Okay, this is our table array. Then column index here will be 4, next 0 for exactness. See the formula again. First I put asterisk within double quote, then ampersand, this means concatenation operator, then L3 means this data. Again, sorry, here I will type ampersand again. Okay, ampersand, then star within double quote. So I hit the enter key. See, ILI is being highlighted where? In this record within the name William, WILI means ILI substring is there. Okay, next pro. See, aside I have to find or match the pro as first 3 character of name, means pro is present in source table as first 3 character of any name. Okay, in any name. So I am typing here equals to Vlookup. I am clicking this lookup value, but as pro is as the first 3 characters, it means before pro there is no character, but after pro it may have several characters. Okay, followed by pro. So that's why I have to put here again ampersand and within double quote star, means all characters it means. Okay, then lookup value, this is our lookup value, then column index 4, then 0. Okay, hit the enter key. See, 97,000 is the result for pro. Pro presents in name Probhas, PRO, as a first 3 character. PRO, P is number 1, R is number 2, O is in number 3. Next, here AYB is present here as what it says, starts as 7th character of name, means before A there are 6 characters are there. Okay, and A is number 7 position, and after B it may have several characters after B. So I am writing here equals to Vlookup, clicking this. As this starts as 7 character, so I have to put here within double quote 6 number of question mark, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why so? Now I have already told you question mark represent a single character. That is why I have to put 6 question mark before L7. Okay. Next I have to put ampersand here. Then again I have to put ampersand as a concatenation operator. Then after that star. Next table array. This is our table array. Okay. Column index here 4, 0. See 99,000 comes here. Where is AYB? Dik Vijay, DIK VIJ. So D1, I2, K3, D4, I 5th position, J 6th position, and A is in 7th position. That's why it starts at 7th position, 7th character of AY. Okay. Next, John. As last 4 characters means before John there may have some characters, but JOHN is at the last position of the word. Okay. So equals to Vlookup, and as it starts from 3rd position of the name, so before this definitely have some characters. So that is why 2 question mark I have to set here. Next ampersand, next again ampersand, next star for all after John. Table array 4, next 0. See in DUJOHN, J is in 3rd position. That's why here I write at last as last 4 characters, but start from 3rd position of it. So JOHN is the last portion of this name or this string, and J is in 3rd position from the beginning. D is in 1st position, U is in 2nd position, J is in 3rd position. So the data is 80,000, and here is also results come 80,000. Next, but in this case, JOHN will act as a last 4 characters, but not starts from 3rd position. So as it will act as the last 4 characters, so I am typing here. So before it I will put here asterisk for any number of characters. Okay. Next table array, comma, column index 4, comma 0. See, here is the John. Only John is there, and 69,000 the result, and here 69,000 the result appears here. Now this is a special case. This is actually, I have told earlier that star is a wildcard character used in Vlookup function in order to do partial match. But here asterisk present here as a normal character, means as a name. So in order to handle this, a trick is there. Watch it. I am typing Vlookup formula. This is a special character, but here it acts as a normal character like name or string. So I have to put here tilde symbol within double quotes. Okay, then ampersand. Okay, right. Then table array here. Then column index here is 4 for total cell and 0 for exact match. Look, 90,000 results appeared. This correct results I got here for asterisk. So this is a trick. If any special character, especially wildcard character, is used within Vlookup function, then you must have to put tilde character from keyboard within double quotes, right? Next, for this I am typing Vlookup this, and as it is told as a first part of the name, so this first portion of the name. So after this it might have some characters. So for this I am putting here ampersand, then within double quote asterisk symbol, then table array, here table array, then column index is 4 and hit put 0 and hit enter. See, 88,000, the correct results appears here. So friends, I have tried to explain the use of Vlookup function for partial match to my level best. I hope you all got the concept clearly. Friends, if you really enjoyed this video, then please subscribe my channel if you already not, and requesting you to share this as much as possible. And obviously don't forget to like this video and press on bell icon to get notified for new additions. And also, if you have any suggestion regarding this video, then please write it in comment box below, and it will be my pleasure to view your valuable opinion there. And lastly, I have already given below my channel URL and also the list of videos till now I have covered for your easy access and learning. Please wait shortly for my next upcoming video on this channel. So till then, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Goodbye friends.